guys a lot and being in the classroom, I wanted to show you a picture so that while we're doing this video lesson, we can pretend that we are sitting on the carpet, having our learning time, and that we're all together sitting on a square. And here is our picture of us when we went on our field trip. It was such a fun day. So I just wanted to show you these pictures so that we can remember that we're all out there e-learning together and that we miss each other and we can't wait to see each other again. Let's look at our calendar. We've got some exciting changes on our calendar. Of course, we're in our new month of April 2020. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020, and we've got some exciting things to look at on our calendar. So we've got all our pink squares right here. These are days that we will be out of school for spring break, so that's exciting. Yay! And as you can see, we have a birthday. Who's our birthday boy this month? Keston. Here he is. April 11th is Keston's birthday, so looking forward to that. Can't wait to wish him a happy birthday. All right, let's look at our weather for today. I'm recording this before you're watching it, and today is cloudy outside. It's supposed to rain most of the day today. We have been in school 136 days. 136. How many tens make 100? 10 tens. Let's count by 10 to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 136 days of school. And here it is on our hundreds chart. Now, I have a fun game for us to play. We've played this in the classroom before, but this is going to be our math warm-up. We've got a tens frame. We've got a little random card number changer thing for one addend. So we're going to roll one addend. We'll find the missing addend to make up 10. So we rolled 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many more to get to 10? If we look at the empty spaces on our tens frame, then we can see how many add up to make 10. So let's see, we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 empty spaces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now, 4 plus 6 equals 10. What's our related fact? 4 plus 6 equals 10. Let's change the order of the addends. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Make subtraction equations and talk about how many more or how many fewer, and we're going to compare to find out. So let's see. Let's start with the first picture of the 3 cats and the bowls. So what we're going to do first is we're going to see how many cats we have and how many bowls we have. So we have 1, 2, 3 cats. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bowls. Okay, so which one is more? Are there more cats or more bowls? There's more bowls. You can even look at them and see that there's more. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the cat to the bowl. We're going to match them up and see. Here's one, and here's one. Now, by looking at the picture, can you tell how many more bowls are just by how many are not matched up? That's right, there's 2 more bowls than cats. Now, this is what our subtraction sentence would look like for that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to start with the one that's more. So we've got 5 bowls and 3 cats. What is the difference? The difference is 1, 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. The difference is 2. There are 2 more bowls. And when we match them up, we can see that easily. Okay, so there's more bowls. Now, on the next one, it's asking how many fewer. Fewer. Now let's see, we've got dogs and a doghouse. So let's look. You can look at the picture and tell which one is more. Are there more dogs or more dog houses? There's more dogs, right? So let's match them up. That'll be super easy. Let me get my line. And we'll see how many fewer dog houses there are than dogs. So let's see. One, let's count the ones that are not matched up. One, two, three. There's three dogs that are not matched up. Now let's look at and see what our equation will look like. We're going to start our equation, our subtraction equation with the biggest number. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 dogs and 1 doghouse. How many fewer are there? Let's see, how many fewer dogs are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fewer dogs than dog houses, and you can see the ones that are not matched up. Now let's look at our equation. 4 minus 1 equals 3. The answer when we subtract is called the difference. You're finding the difference, right? And when we subtract, our answer gets smaller. Okay, let's do some subtraction sentences just for review. So we've got forks, spoons, and knives. It makes me think of when you guys are playing in the Play-Doh Center. So these are going to be super easy. We're just going to see how many we start with first, and then how many we take away, and then we'll find the difference. Okay, so let's start with forks. Let's count how many forks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We started with 4 forks, and how many did we take away? How many are crossed out? There are 2 crossed out. And so how many are left? That's right, there's 2 left. So look, 4 minus 2 equals 2. And if we use addition to subtract, we can do, if we use addition to check our answer, we can do 2 plus 2 equals 4, that way. All right, now let's see how many spoons we start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 spoons, and we take 3 spoons away. How many spoons are left? That's right, there's 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Let's use addition to check our subtraction. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, last one. Let's look and see how many knives we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 knives. Take away 1, 2, 3. Take away 3. And let's see how many knives are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 knives left. 7 minus 3 equals 4. And if we want to use addition to check our subtraction, we can go this way. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, this is a counting story for us. And it's called Favorite Things. And we're going to use some of our counting strategies that we've talked about, like counting in an order, counting in a circle, starting with 1, and make sure that we don't count it again. We're going to use some of those counting strategies. Matt has many small cars. Look and count. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many cars does he have? 11. We're also going to be talking about team numbers in the story. So 11 is a 1 with a 1. Matt shows Gina his cards. Look and count. Okay, so let's count the cards. Now you can see he has them kind of scattered out. So let's use our counting strategy of counting them in an order. Let's go orderly so we make sure that we don't count any of them twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14, that's one of our team numbers. 14 is a 1 with a 4. 14. It's like our Jack Hartman song. 14 cards. Well, these are a lot of things to count. Gina likes to collect things too. Look and count how many pigs? Let's see. I think I'll do what you guys do and put a little dot on each and count them in order so that we can see how many there are, and we won't count any of these pigs twice. So let's see. Let's start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so let's do the number for 18, our team number. 18, 1 with an 8. 18 pigs. Gina shows Matt her stickers. Look and count. Birds and stars. Counting can be fun. So look, it looks like Matt has bird stickers and Gina has star stickers. So let's count Matt's bird stickers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, let's see. How do we make the team number 19? 19 is a 1 with a 9. 19 birds. Now let's count our stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and 20 we make with a 2 and a 0. Okay, let's see. Who has more? Does Matt have more birds or does Gina have more stars? Which one's more? That's right, Gina has more because she has 20, and that's just one more, 19, 20. She has one more. Okay, I have a hundreds chart for us. We're going to look at some patterns, okay, and we're just going to kind of practice counting. Okay, so first we're going to count by twos, and our circles on here are counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Okay, so our circle counting was by twos. Now we're going to do the triangles and we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That went a lot quicker. Now let's look. We're going to count by tens, and as we count by tens, I want you to notice what you see, what shapes you see on here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What do you notice about our count by tens? Our triangles were count by fives and our circles were count by twos. When we count by tens, we have the numbers that are counting by twos at the end and by fives at the end. So these numbers kind of all overlap. Oops, sorry. Message today. Let's look and see. Show me where to start reading. Where do I start? Right here, that's right. And which way do I go? This way. And then what is this? That's the period. It tells you to stop. And then we go to the next line and then down. And then there's our period. Stop. And then this way. Okay, read with me. Today is Thursday. The name of our state is North Carolina. The color of a banana is yellow. Now, do you see any long A words where the A says its name? Let me read this sentence one more time for you. The name of our state is North Carolina. Did you see some A words in there? Look at this one. Name. Name has the long A sound, and state has the long A sound. Very good. We're looking for words that have the same middle sound. The same middle sound. So let's look. Dot, lid, pen. Now let's do our roller coaster and say all the sounds. D, ot, o, id, p, n. Which words have the same middle sound? Lid and pen have the same middle sound. Met, bed, cap. Et, ed, k, app. Which words have the same middle sound? Met and bed have the eh sound. Sad, not, can. Sad, not, can. Which words have the same middle sound? Sad, can. Hot, rip, rod. Hot, rip, rod. Which words have the same middle sound? Hot, rod have the same middle sound. Mop, hug, run. Mop, hug, run. Which words have the same middle sound? Hug, run have in the middle. Now let's look at this words that have the same ending sound. Late, cart, made. Late, cart, made. Look, late and cart have the t sound at the end, but what do you notice? Look, late does not end with a T. It's got that vowel consonant E pattern, and so late has the t sound at the end, just like cart. Cliff, ring off. Cliff, ring off. Which words have the same ending sound? Cliff, off. Bread, scrub, grab. Bread, scrub, grab. Which words have the same ending sound? Scrub, grab. Fizz, grass, squeeze. Fizz, grass, squeeze. Which words have the same ending sound? Fizz and squeeze. Now let's talk about our short vowels and long vowels because we're going to look at a new vowel today. Let's look at short I, igloo, inchworm, fish, pig. And let's look at long I, ice cream, iron, bike, fire. I says its name in the long vowel words like ice cream, iron, bike, and fire. Here's our little poem. I is my name, two sounds have I, short I in pig, long I in pie. And I did a little pun here for you because our pie has actually the mathematical symbol for pi on it. Okay, but that's just a PI when you spell it like that. Okay, let's listen. Pig, pie, pig, pie. In long vowel words, I says its name. And here's our song. I makes two sounds, I makes two sounds, I and it, I and it. Ice cream, igloo, I and it, I and it. Okay, now let's listen for a long I. And I want you to make that I sound when you hear it. Ice, I, idea, I, Irish, I, Ivan, I, into, I, bit, I, hid, I, inch, I, item, I, bait, A, ivory, I, Iowa, I. Okay, here's some sight words. I'll give you just a minute to read and then I'll read it. Said, that, up for but on him can his as have to at am we of had you a in and go I has the see he. I put this on your assignments just to listen to some of these vowel patterns like the IGH um, that say I can be a little tricky, but I want you to listen for the I sound in these words as we read. The kind night. The kind night. In a far-off land, a dragon was giving people a fright. The king sent a knight to find and slay the dragon. Did you hear some I words like fright and night? One night, the knight rode out to find the dragon. A flock of crows took flight at the sight of the knight speeding along on his steed. So look at this, night and night. Those are the same words, but they have two different spellings. And this kind of knight with the KN, the silent KN, is this person on the horse, a knight. The knight saw a bright light rise from behind a hill. The knight held on tight as he sped toward the light. By and by, the knight rode through the night. He thought the bright light might be from the dragon. The knight rode up to the light. He saw a big, fire-spitting dragon behind the hill. "I will fight you with all my might," the knight said. The dragon began to cry. "Kind knight," he sighed, "I am not a mean dragon. I am old, blind, and cannot see. I do not want to fight." The knight felt sad for the dragon's plight. He was a kind knight. "I will try to help you," said the kind knight. "I will tell people that you are a kind dragon." The knight made all things right. The dragon stayed out of sight, and every night the kind knight gave the dragon food to eat. Okay, now let's go back and talk about what happened at the beginning, in the middle, and the end of the story. Okay, so let's look. At the beginning of the story, we find our characters. The main character is the knight, right? And what happened, the problem in the beginning was that there was a dragon that scared all the people, right? So in the middle, you see the kind knight, the main character, going to try to find the dragon. And then when he finally found him at the end, what happened? What was the solution to the problem? He was ready to fight, but then the dragon said, "Oh no, I'm a kind dragon." And so the at the end, the knight made everything right and said that he would be tell all the people that the dragon was kind, and the kind knight even gave the dragon food to eat.